Hi everyone. Today we are going to review the CNG kit of Kiger. First is the sequential injection. Here is a ECU that we are fitted, the basic ECU unit. Here is a MD reducer. And the switch position is very good that they are fitted. Here is a changeover switch that indicate the how much CNG are available in your tank. One point indicate 3 liters. There is a CNG fitting point. It's a very good point that we are placed here. So near in petrol sections. So इसकी कैपेसिटी 14 लीटर है. 14 लीटर of CNG capacity. Here is a wiring of that capacity. Thank you for watching. Bye.